Hybrid technology has always been interesting to me. Having two things in one can be extremely useful. For example, my main laptop is still Asus's Transformer Book, which is actually a tablet. So having a phone that can transform in your laptop sounds like a dream come true. But Razer is not the first one to come up with the idea. Back in 2012, Asus presented their pad phone, and while the idea of having a phone that can dock into a tablet and with a click of a keyboard you can transform it into a laptop is very intriguing, it never really caught on. So how is Razer's Linda different and why is there so much hype about it? At first glance, it looks like Project Linda is a very beautiful aluminium empty shell of a laptop. The idea is that you dock your Razer phone in it, and with that, it gives it all the capabilities of quite a powerful Android laptop, while using the phone as a big 5.7-inch touchpad. But Linda is not just an empty shell. Apart from a beautiful 13.3-inch Quad HD display, it also boasts with a Razer Chroma keyboard that has some Android-specific buttons like back, home, and screenshot, for example. It's also a powerful power bank which can charge your phone while it's docked in, and it also has 200 gigabytes of internal storage, so if you'd like to offload any apps or media, you can do that. When it comes to ports, it has a 3.5mm audio jack, it has a normal USB port and a USB-C charging port. It's still a project, so no official price or release dates have been known at the time of making of this video. It looks like an amazing productivity powerhouse to work with. It's ultra portable, powerful, and has colorful LEDs, all the things that I adore. But there's one aspect of this project that makes me doubt its success. It's running on Android. And the only reason why I have been using my Transformer Book for so long, for more than 3 years, is because it has a full version of Windows on it. I can use all the programs that I ever needed. I could use SPSS statistics when I needed it. I could put on it the programs that my professors made that don't even have like a Mac OS version. And it never said you can't do this. It never limited me. It might have slowed me down, but it never limited me, you know? With Android, you're instantly locked into the mobile platform. You can't even use the full version of Microsoft Office. I mean, theoretically, you could use Google Docs. This limitation is probably the reason why we aren't seeing more phone-to-laptop hybrids on the market. For example, HP presented an Elite X3 phone with similar docking capabilities, but it was still running a smaller version of Windows, a limited version called Windows 10S, that just let you download the apps from Microsoft Store. That's not it, you know, we need full functionality Windows. All in all, I feel that Project Linda is a great example of a polished idea, and I would love to see the scene evolve in this direction of hybrids. So what do you think? What are the biggest advantages or disadvantages of having a phone and a laptop all in one? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe, and there's another video waiting for you if you haven't seen it yet. I will see you soon, and bye!